Today, I want to show you how to make $100 per day online with AI, which is artificial intelligence. And the best part of this business model is it takes no marketing experience, low tech skills, and very little money to get started. So if you can point and click your mouse, you can actually make this happen. And I'm going to show you guys exactly step by step how to actually implement it for yourself. And by the end of this video, you'll be confident that you can do this too. So make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. My name is Stacia Kennedy, and I've been online for over 15 years. I've been a online business manager, consultant, and the craziest thing is all of my time on the internet is that literally no one is talking about this secret strategy. And you guys are going to be the first to actually see this strategy and leverage this exact business model. And just so you know, guys, I'm not some genius out there. I did learn this from my mentor, and a bunch of other people have been way smarter than me and have been actually seeing results. So this is actually working for other people here. 30,000 a month, 4,400 in 24 hours, 54,000 in 90 days. 9K a month, 20K in 30 days, 26K in 35 days, 250 leads in the first month. As you can see, the list of results right here. So let's break it down, the business model, real quick. So first we're going to be doing is we're going to be working with small local business owners. But no, wait, we're not going to be running the traditional marketing agency. We're not going to be running Facebook ads. We're not going to be doing SEO for these clients. You can, but I'm not going to be doing any of that. I'm going to show you guys how we can have everything pre-built and how simple this actually is. So we're going to find small local business owners. So think of electricians, plumbers, massage therapists, dentists. I've worked with tons of real estate agents in my career, chiropractors, spas, med spas, any type of small business in your local area. And then what we're going to do is we're going to offer them one simple marketing system. And as you can see, it's a copy and paste, but honestly, you don't even need to actually copy and paste anything. You just have to do a few clicks of your mouse. And before I break this down for you, let me give you a quick insight into a recent study. So this study was done by MIT. So MIT is kind of like the Harvard of, it's one of the top universities, top education centers. Not a school that I went to. I went to Hawaii Public School. And this study says that for small business owners, when they get a new lead, so a new lead is when someone enters their name and phone number and email address, and basically someone is interested in their services, right? So let's say you're working with a massage therapist. Somebody's interested in getting a massage, or a dentist, or somebody's interested in a teeth cleaning to clean their teeth. So once they get a lead, so they Google like dentist near me, massage therapist near me, and they get a lead, and the response time is absolutely crucial. Okay. So say right here, the odds of contacting a lead in 5 minutes versus 30 minutes right here dramatically drops down to 21 times. And from 5 minutes to 10 minutes, the dial to qualify the lead, it decreases 4 times. So as you can see, how significant it is. So this is crazy, 100 times. So let's say a dentist gets a lead, a new lead, somebody's interested in getting their teeth cleaned in their local area. If the dentist office, if their secretary connects with that lead within the first 5 minutes of putting their name and phone number and email address on the website, the chances of them actually connecting with that lead goes up 100 times. Okay. Versus in 30 minutes, you can see how it drops off here on the graph. And it says, in fact, from 5 minutes to 10 minutes, the odds decrease by 5 times. And then down here, the odds of qualifying leads. So basically, if a lead comes in and your contact rate obviously goes up 100 times. But then if the lead's going to actually be qualified, and interested in your services, it says in 5 minutes versus 30 minutes, it drops down 21 times. So you can see how important it is for these small local business owners that we showed you over here, that whether it's a dentist, chiropractor, massage therapist, whatever it is so important to connect with their lead within the first 5 minutes. But the truth is, not a lot of small business owners can do that. They're either out in the field, they're doing their actual job. So if a plumber gets a lead, a lot of plumbers are just small entrepreneurs running their shop, but maybe they have a family or support system and they don't have time to go and connect with every single lead. If they're lucky, they do have an admin staff that answers their phone, but most of the time they're doing everything and they need to have someone connecting with that lead within the first 5 minutes. And this is where you come in. And don't worry, I'm not actually going to have you call all their leads, and you don't have to go and text these leads or anything. What you're going to do is we're going to set up a simple piece of automation. Don't you love automation? And you're going to be able to charge them, like I said, I show you here on our graph. We're going to be able to charge them 300 to 500 a month. A month. So they're going to actually get paid 300 to 500 a month per client. And I know I put on the title or the headline of this video, $100 per day, but you can literally charge 300 to 500 a month per client, because there's already a number of businesses doing this exact method. The overall goal of what we're doing for these businesses is to help these small business local business owners get in contact with their lead faster. Okay, so they can have more leads, more qualified leads, close more deals, and make more money and grow their business. So here's what we're actually going to do. So we're going to use a simple, like I said, a very simple software right here. Let me show my screen. And the cool thing about this software is we can white label it, meaning you can put your logo up there. You can see mine right here. And you can have your own domain. You can connect your own Stripe account, and that's a payment processor, and you can collect 100% of the payments. Did you hear me? You're not going to be referring this software to anyone and getting an affiliate commission. You're going to be actually build your own software company. You don't need any expensive developers or coders or anything like that. You're not going to be trying to figure out how to be a developer all of a sudden. This site or this software, HIghlevel, is the name of the company, and they're allowing us to be a reseller of their software and white labeling it. Okay, so this is already pre-built, pre-done for you, and you're going to come over into automation. Here's my back office here, or my agency, and we're going to go to automations. And what we do here is we're going to create what is called a workflow. So a workflow is basically an automation. So when a new lead comes in from the small business owner's website, which you can also make for them too, but what we do is we want to what we want to do with these leads. The coolest thing about this is we have workflows called recipes. So there's a lot of different jargon words, but the same goes into what it does here. Inside of these recipes that I'm showing here on the screen is they're already pre-built templates. Okay. So workflow, recipes, templates, they're templates that are automated, that have everything pretty much done for you. So let me scroll down. Let's check this out. So we've got these recipes. And what we're going to be doing is we're looking for, you can of course pick from scratch, but what we're going to do is we're going to look for the Fast Five. And the Fast Five recipe is going to help the odds of closing a lead that will decrease dramatically after 5 minutes. So this workflow delivers the ultimate first 5 minute lead nurture. So let's click on that. So what we got here in this recipe for the Fast Five is based off of the concept that I just shared with you in the MIT study. We want to be as fast as possible. So speed the lead to be able to connect with that lead in the first 5 minutes, so we can connect with more leads and have a higher quality lead. So what we're going to do is click right here, and we're going to come back here, and we're going to say create new workflow. that we did here. And we're going to do is I already have this workflow already pre-built. Okay. So what we can do right here is add a new workflow trigger. So basically at the top right here, add new workflow trigger. Anytime a new lead comes in from a website or a Facebook lead or any other format. So we're going to click on here and say if we did a Facebook ad, Facebook lead form, or if it comes from a website, so a form is submitted, they enter their name and email address, and there's a form that is submitted. So consult form, and then you save the trigger. When someone goes through that form, what it's going to do is instantly create an opportunity. So let's say you're working with that dentist, and the dentist secretary is automatically going to see the opportunity created, basically saying, "Hey, this person is interested in your services," and that's automatically done. So the secretary doesn't have to manually call out, because it just gets it done. We're all humans and we all make mistakes. So let's just say that. So the secretary doesn't have to do nothing. You don't have to do nothing, or they don't have to do nothing. You just have to implement this one workflow. We all get a little tired and crazy sometimes. And so secretaries probably not wanting to call every single lead. So that's why we rely on this automation. So it automatically creates this opportunity, and it instantly sends out a offer claim email right here. This offer claim email is a template that you will recreate. And this fills in the person's name. It also says, congratulations on claiming your offer. Harry, Sally, John, whoever it is, right? The next step is to redeem your offer and book an appointment right here. Okay, super cool. It's all automated. Sends that email out to claim their offer. Also sends a text message too. Okay. And so the next thing, what you do is, not everyone likes to follow up and connect and communicate via email. So like I said, you can send them a text message, and then it waits for 2 minutes. And then it sees like, hey, did they respond in a positive way? If they didn't respond, no, they didn't respond at all, it automatically is going to call connect. So it's actually going to call you first and say, hey, you got a new lead. And then if you want to connect with that lead, you can press any number and it will connect your call. Or if you're not able to pick up the call, if the client is not able to pick up the call, it'll send a voicemail, and then it'll wait here. So if they do respond in a positive way, then it'll go here and it'll actually send them a notification to book a call with them. Right? So it sends a booking link as well too. So it'll help you book your appointments. So it'll ask you, is now a good time to grab a date and a time that works for you? So that's it. This is pretty. And then from here, you can see we can take it however we want. But this is a way to be able to go through and help these small business owners, local business owners, connect with more leads and get more quality leads and close more deals, of course, and make a whole lot of money. And we create the software so good that the cool thing is that they won't want to cancel, because you're making them so much money and bringing them quality leads. And it's going to be like a utility, like a phone bill, right? They cannot cancel. And the cool thing, like I said, is the setup is literally a one-time thing. So you go through and you set up the pre-built template I just showed you to fit their needs, and it's going to bring massive value to these clients on an ongoing basis, which is going to keep them paying you, not anybody else, directly to you, $100, $200, $300, as much as $500 a month. You get to decide your price point, because they're saving these leads. They're closing more deals, making more money because of what you set up for them in just a matter of minutes. It's not something that you have to watch and maintain. So now, if you guys found this video super helpful, you guys want to learn more about how to do this, make sure, of course, to like that like button and hit that notification bell Drop a comment below for me if you found this helpful. And I'm going to share with you guys my free 100% training on how to start your own SaaS business. The link is in the description below. I'm going to show you exactly how to go through, do outreach, how to get more small local business owners as clients. And once you do that outreach, how to go through and price these services, how to create your offers for these clients, and then exactly what to say to these clients to get them to say yes. And then once you have all this done, they're saying yes and they're paying you every single month, how to actually go through and set this up step by step. So now that I've showed you this business model, how easy it can be done for you, how you can implement this, there's going to be a few things that you can go through and to stack on more. So there's going to be a lot of training inside of the free training right below in the description. So you're going to be able to charge even more each month. There's so many things that you can position yourself to generate 6 figures and beyond. So again, if you liked this video and if you want that free training, click the link in the description and we'll see you on the next video. Much love and aloha.